Hi, my name is Jake with John Wayne Service Company, and today we're doing a window install. There's a misconception out there that a lot of people think we just do heating, air conditioning, plumbing, and electrical, but we also do windows as well. This home was built in 1925. The customer just wanted to make their home a little bit more efficient. The windows we're putting in today are fully aluminum windows, very energy efficient. They have 2-pane low E with an argon gas inside of it. It helps protect heat from coming inside, and they are lifetime warranted as well. Also, these windows are made right here in Texas. They're actually made in Dallas, Texas, so they're 100% American made. Typically what happens in a process of replacing your windows is going to be, our guys will come out here, they'll take out your old windows, we will carry them off and recycle those for you. Also, it typically takes about 1 to 2 days to replace these windows. They're going to feel a lot more comfortable in their house whenever these windows are replaced, because it's going to drop the heat load of the home. These windows, this homeowner here is going to get a payback on her investment because they're going to reduce her energy bill dramatically. And they're all customizable, so we order them from the factory and it's specific for your home. Once again, my name is Jake with John Wayne Service Company, and if you think you could benefit from replacing your windows, visit us at johnwayne.com.